How are you doing, Mr. Smith?
Pretty broken man today, sir.
Okay, well, we hope that we can, you can be fixed. This is cause number 23CCR 1416, case of style of the state of Texas versus Colton Edward Smith. Mr. Smith, is that your full name?
Sir,
Mr. Smith, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
sir.
Mr. Smith, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Smith?
Pretty broken man today, sir.
Okay, well, we hope that we can, you can be fixed and put back together, okay?
Pray a lot.
Okay, yeah, we all, need to pray. God hears and answers prayers. Okay? And so, you know, a lot of times we, you know, we just have to be patient for God to give us his answer, and he will answer.
Always.
As he will answer. Now, Mr. Smith, you raise your right hand. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Mr. Smith, you're represented by your attorney Todd LeBlanc. And Mr. LeBlanc, how are you doing? And Mr. LeBlanc, do you waive a record
We do.
in Mr. Smith's case? Okay, now, Mr. Smith, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Motion to Revoke Probation. This motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this motion, it alleges that you, Colton Edward Smith, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on October 16th of 2024 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. And down here, they just have RT. You might want to amend
They
that.
have what?
Resisting arrest, search.
I'll write in transportation owner.
You have any objections?
No.
They just had T. Resisting arrest, search, transfer. Okay, so this will be an amended, it'll be your first amended motion. Okay. Now, Mr. Smith, this states first amended motion, and it states, I'll just reread it, that you, Colton Edward Smith, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on the 16th day of October 2024 for the offense resisting arrest, search, or transportation, which is a Class A misdemeanor. The court found that the evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilty. However, you were placed on deferred adjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. The court deferred adjudication in this case. Now, Mr. Smith, there are there are 6 allegations in this motion. State, are you abandoning any of the allegations?
State's abandoning allegations 1, 3, 4, and 6, Your Honor. And we're proceeding on 2 and 5.
Okay. 6. Okay, Mr. Smith, the state is abandoning allegations 1, 3, 4, and 6. That simply means that they will not be proceeding on those allegations. They will only be proceeding on allegations 2 and 5. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Colton Edward Smith, failed to provide verification of attending intensive outpatient treatment in violation of condition 11 of your deferred probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Okay. Allegation number 5 alleges that you, Colton Edward Smith, failed to perform community service hours as ordered by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
I wasn't given the chance, Your Honor.
Okay, so
It's true, yes, sir.
you say it's
Given
true?
more time, I didn't have time to take care of it.
Okay. Now, are you pleading true to allegations 2 and 5
Yes, sir.
freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true to those allegations because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Smith, I also have before me a document on the tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
There's one box that's checked. The box that's checked is MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation. Do you understand that? On page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials, KS, on the line next to a box that's checked MTRP, true to allegations 2 and 5. Did you place your initials on this document?
Sir.
On page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document.
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there's 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Sir.
Second box is checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Now, Mr. Smith, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And did you understand everything that Mr. LeBlanc went over?
Sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Smith, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State over states 1.
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. LeBlanc, you have advised and counseled Mr. Smith. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
And Mr. Smith, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Smith, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 2 and 5. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. It is affidavit. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
In exchange for defendant's plea of true, the state's offering 4 days in the or I'm sorry, 20 days in Jefferson County Jail, credit for 4. The defendant is to turn himself in on Friday, that's the 25th, at or before 6 p.m.
Let me see. You said it's Friday.
Yes, Your Honor, July 25th.
Trying to get some things taken care of.
What's the court cost?
$60.
Okay. Mr. Smith, the state is offering that you serve 20 days in Jefferson County Jail. You'll be given credit for 4 days that you've already spent in jail in this case. You will also be required to pay court costs of $60. Are you able to pay the $60 court costs?
Not today.
Okay. Now, Mr. Smith, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. I'm going to give this document to your attorney, and your attorney is going to give it to you so that you can review it. Now, Mr. Smith, do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir. It's changed drastically.
Okay, could you make those change? Give him a pen. Here you go. And you can make those changes.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Smith, is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Smith, the court is going to find that you're indigent, which means that you're unable to pay the court costs in this case. Therefore, and that's pursuant to, therefore, the court cost is going to be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. That means you won't have to pay it. Okay? Okay. Now, you'll be required to begin the remainder of your jail time on July 25th, 2025, at or before 6 p.m.
Yes, sir. You see me here on days I didn't need to be here. I'll be there.
Okay, that's good. Now, Mr. Smith, do you understand the state's offer?
Sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Smith, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with state. Now, Mr. Smith, I can just tell you this, you know, when you have rock bottom,
You can only go up. I know.
Yeah. not only go up,
I'm in good spirits.
but you know, you need to understand that there's a rock at the bottom,
I know.
and that rock is Jesus. Okay.
Yes, sir. You're right.
So you just hold
This
on.
age kept me through a lot of things.
That's right. That's right. Just hold on, you know, to his unchanging hands.
Sir.
All right. And you'll be all right. All right. We all go through ups and downs in life, you know.
Or sometimes.
I understand. Hang in there. Don't hang up.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.